Good day everyone, I am Zyla A. Museros from 3B BTLEHE. Today, I will discuss about relationship between refrigeration and air conditioning. How does it work, the refrigeration and air conditioning? Refrigeration and air conditioning is used to cool products or a building environment. Next is, what is refrigeration? Refrigeration, it can be defined as the process of transferring heat from a low temperature region to a high temperature region. In other words, it is the process of cooling a substance. This can be achieved only if the heat is removed from the substance. Next is about importance of refrigeration. Refrigeration slows bacterial growth. They are in the soil, air, water, and the foods we eat. When they have nutrients, food, moisture, and favorable temperatures, they grow rapidly, increasing in numbers to the point where some types of bacteria can cause illness. Bacteria grow most rapidly in the range of temperatures between 40 and 140 Fahrenheit. A refrigerator set at 40 Fahrenheit or below will protect most foods. Next is terms in refrigeration. Number 1. Refrigerator. It is a machine used to extract heat from a body at low temperature and reject this heat to a body at high temperature. Thus, it cools the body. Number 2. Refrigerant. It is a substance which is used as working fluid in refrigerators. The refrigerant has low boiling point, which means that it vaporizes at low temperature and takes away the heat from a substance. Number 3. Capacity of refrigerator. It is defined as the rate at which heat can be removed from the cold body. It is rate at which refrigerations can be produced. Its unit is expressed in terms of ton of refrigeration. Number 4. Refrigeration effect. It is defined as the ratio of the quantity of heat removed to the time taken. Number 5 is coefficients of performance or COP. It is defined as the ratio of heat absorbed in a given time. Refrigeration effect to the work done. Next is, what is air conditioning? Air conditioning is the process of altering the properties of air, primarily temperature and humidity, to more favorable conditions. The control of these conditions may be desirable to maintain the health and comfort of occupants or to meet the requirements of industrial processes irrespective of the external climatic conditions. Next is about importance of air conditioning. Air conditioners serve a multitude of purposes, making them an extremely important appliance in the home or workplace. It is also managed heat produced by appliances. Next is terms of air conditioning. Number 1. Psychrometry. It is the study of the properties of moist air. The properties of the air and water vapor mixture are called psychrometric properties. Number 2. Dry air. Atmospheric air without presence of water vapor is called dry air. It combination of 79% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen by weight. Number 3. Moist air. It is the mixture of dry air water vapor. The amount of water vapor present varies according to the temperature. Number 4. Dry bulb temperature or DTB. It is the temperature of the air measured using an ordinary thermometer. This temperature is not affected by the water vapor present in the air. Number 5 is wet bulb temperature or WBT. It is the temperature measured by ordinary thermometer when its bulb is covered with wet cloth and exposed to air. Number 6. Wet bulb depression or WBD. If the air is fully saturated, then the wet bulb depression is zero. It is the difference between the dry bulb temperature and the wet bulb temperature. Number 7. Dew point temperature or DPT. The temperature at which the water vapor in the air begins to condense when the temperature of the air is continuously reduced. Number 8. Humidity. The quantity of vapor present in the air is known as humidity. It depends on the temperature of the air and is independent of the pressure of the air. And the last is relative humidity. It is defined as the ratio of mass of water vapor present in a given volume of air at a given temperature to the mass of water vapor present in the same volume and temperature of the air when it is fully saturated. And the last part is about the similarities between refrigeration and air conditioning. In many ways, air conditioning and refrigeration systems are very similar. Refrigeration and air conditioning use specially designed chemical, the physical effects of the compression and expansion of gases, and the conversion of gas to liquid to reduce the temperature of air.